What's up guys, and welcome to this week's review of Trendy Butler. Now Trendy Butler is a men's monthly subscription service that you pay $65 a month for. Now for that price, they're going to send you about 2 to 3 items depending, anywhere from t-shirts, joggers, jeans, blazers, anything that you can think of. This is my first time using Trendy Butler, so I had a pretty big discount code of 50% off. I'm not sure if it's still going on, but if not, you can always check out trendybutler.com. Alright, now kicking things off is this cream off-white Henley from Paine. This is a great addition to have for spring coming up. It's light, it's not gonna break the bank with prices and whatnot. It's great to have just as an everyday shirt, or to use it as a base layer underneath a bomber jacket, or possibly even a blazer, depending on how you style it. Nothing too much to report on Paine. For me personally, I haven't had anything from Paine. I've heard a lot about them from other YouTubers and just kind of general information. So yeah, this is a good addition to have, I think. Alright, next we have a pair of pants from the brand Tailor. Honestly, I don't know what to make of these. They're like a super stretchy. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can stretch these things all day. They're massively stretchy, but they're like a dress pant. They're not a jogger or a chino or anything like that. They're just kind of more of a dress pant. So I really don't know how to use these. Fit wise, I tried them on. They fit fine. There's no issue with fit. With Trendy Butler, you sign up in your profile, you tell them what you like in your pants, sizing and everything whatnot. But like I said, these fit great. I just don't know what to do with them. They're just like a sweat dress pant. That's I don't know what to make of it. Thank you guys for staying tuned to the end of the video. Just wanted to add a quick little thing. If the audio was a lot better, please give me a comment or a thumbs up or like. Just let me know that the audio was way better. I did just get a microphone, and this is my first time using it, so let me know any comments you guys have on that, any feedback. That would be great. Thanks.